Good evening, dear students. Welcome to Sonali's Academy Just for Fun Summer Camp, May 2020, Day 6. Kids, you have to get ready for the prayer. Everyone sit straight, close your eyes, fold your hands.
With your parents, call your parents, everyone.
Yesterday we have announced now your parents should be there with you, parents, grandparents, brother, sister, Drishti, that's great. Dhaval.
Today we will have some yoga session with your parents, funny session. We will have a dance. Okay, everyone are ready?
Yes.
Okay, start walking. Everyone start walking. Slowly start jogging. Shake your hands. Smile on your face. Sideways. Breathe out, head down. And from right side, start rotating. Do it slowly. Put it again. I will tell you first step, then we will do with music. What you should do, take your both hands sideways and which fingers you have to twist. We are doing twinkle twinkle in that way. You should do. Then we should do in this way. Shoulders, elbows up and down. Then we have to do up and down best. Okay? And then afterward, now catch your hand first. Opposite hand. Your parents will bend forward and you will bend back. Moving forward, your parents do how much it is possible. Again, opposite. Same with opposite. And relax. Beautiful, everyone is doing. Now, same with opposite. Change the position. Again, hold it. First, take your legs up. And take your both hands up. And take your left leg up. Your back should be straight. So, one homework I will give you. Everyone will do?
Yes.
Yes. So what you should do, you will first take a information and then you will collect the foods. What information? You can note down or else ma'am will again message you. Rajasic food. What is Rajasic food? And you should collect the Rajasic food. Whatever it is available in your home. Rajasic food. What is Rajasic food? And you should collect the food. What is Tamasic food? That also you have to collect. Everything is available at your home. Rajasic food, Tamasic food and Sattvic food. These 3 atoms you have to collect, and you should know. You should take a information what is it, and you can make a one project. You can keep it Rajasic, Tamasic, and Sattvic, and you can label it. Okay, and you can click a photos and you can share to your ma'am. Okay, you should send the photos to Sonali ma'am. Everyone will do it, and you should, I will tell you tomorrow more about it, but you should collect the information, and you should collect the fruits also, fruits or whatever it is available in Rajasic, Tamasic and Sattvic. Okay, everyone will do? Okay. Chalo, bye.
Okay, ma'am. Incredible India. Are you ready? With your notebook, compass box? That's great. Chalo. Karnataka, Goa and Telangana. Our tourist places to visit in Tamil Nadu is Meenakshi Temple. See, as I told you previously also, in each and every states of our nation, you will find some famous temples. Kalam. So the session is yours now.
Good evening, madam. Thank you so much. All of you, are you there? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, very good. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, you can join after 2 minutes. So, good evening, everyone. Yeah. I was really missing you guys actually, because I cannot stay so much, long from dancing. And as of the school is not started yet, so I'm really missing my dancing. Okay, so now I've got an opportunity, and thanks to Sonali ma'am, she has given me this opportunity to teach you. All right, so let's begin. Yeah, I can see some smiley faces again over here. Yeah, you should smile. That's the basic thing you should do first. Ready? Let's start with warm up. Yeah, let's go. Close them out, close them out. Stand up, go ahead. One more time, one more time. Hook up, hook up. Okay, slowly, slowly open your eyes. Yes. I hope you are feeling very nice. Okay, how are you feeling? Are you feeling good? Are you feeling fresh?
Yes, sir. All are feeling fresh. Sir, now you just said that all are doing nice, but I would like to comment also. Leader अच्छा करेगा तो बच्चे भी अच्छा करते हैं. You are a wonderful leader, sir. Wonderful dance teacher. I am really impressed with your dancing techniques, sir. Wonderful, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Thanks to Rohit sir who recommended my name to you.
Ah, that's there.
You gave me an opportunity.
Yes. Okay, kids. Are you enjoying the summer camp basics? Yes, na? You enjoyed Akshay sir's dance, yoga ma'am's yoga session, isn't it? Now, yesterday I asked you one question. Yes, na? What was the question? Can anyone tell me the question? Okay, I'll tell you. All living things, plants and animals are made up of water. When you play or even breathe, your body loses water. This must be replaced. Yes, na? It must be replaced. When your brain discovers that your body has lost water, it sends signals to your mouth and throat, which starts to feel dry and you feel thirsty. Question? Are you all ready? I can't see everyone raising the thumb. Mansi, yes, I saw everyone. Anvi, yes, that's great. So today's question is, do you know why we all dream? Okay, you have to answer and send me. Helping hand. Now just anyone would like to share how your parents and grandparents felt yesterday when you gave them a glass of water? Ruhi, yes, you can answer. Yes, Akshita. Acha, that's great ना. You must have felt very proud, yes ना. That's great. जो कुछ भी हो, देखो दुनिया में कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता है ना? हम जैसे लोग उसे छोटा या बड़ा करते हैं. देखो ना, आज अगर no one is working, but our farmers are working day and night, our police officers, our police staff is working, doctors are working, yes no, ये सब बड़े काम है ना? That's great. And one more thing, after your helping hand today is, you all are sitting for the summer camp session now, isn't it? At 4:20 only. सब आजू बाजू में योगा का मैट, मेरा ड्राइंग का ये वो सब सामान अपने बाजू में लेगा. अरे मेरा बच्चा थर्स्टी है तो उसके लिए पानी भी मम्मा ला के देती होगी कभी कभी, है ना, सेशन के वक्त या कुछ खाने के लिए. तो every day when you are sitting for any activity henceforth or studies, see that you take care about it, that you should keep that all things in the place again, proper place again. Your mama, your grandparents, your papa, your elder brother, sister should not do the thing. Okay? आज आपने कनेक्ट किया है लैपटॉप से, मोबाइल से, तो ये आपकी ड्यूटी है कि वो फिर से अपनी जगह पे जाए, है ना? This will be a great help to your parents, grandparents, your elder brother, sisters, if your uncle and aunt is there. Okay? ये मुझे आज आपके पेरेंट्स ने फोटो निकाल के भेजना है कि my dear students are doing and following whatever I am saying. Okay? Is that clear? And this should be daily. Is that clear? So tomorrow is our last day of a summer camp. Is that clear? We would like to declare also our winners of our activity. Yes, sir? So tomorrow you will get all the results also. I request your parents also should sit along with you all tomorrow for the session, because yoga ma'am, dancer are going to take some surprising sessions for you all tomorrow. Is that clear? ऐसे ऐसे नहीं भी होता है, हाँ भी होता है. This is the right answer. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. That's great. Now हेल्पिंग हैंड बोल दिया आज मैंने, डू यू नो हो गया, इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया हो गया, ड्राइंग हो गया, योगा सेशन इज ओवर, डांस इज ओवर. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? नाउ द सेशन इज गेटिंग ओवर. ओके, चलो. आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू प्लीज स्टैंड इन देयर प्लेसेस. You should stand straight beta during the Vande Mataram, isn't it? Okay. Now, I hope you all must have enjoyed the session today. It's time for bye now. Bye.